Hello guys, today we are unboxing the Samsung Gear S3 Classic in 2020. Is it worth to buy the Samsung Gear S3 Classic watch in 2020? So let's watch the video with us. So we'll give you some information about it. This was manufactured and distributed on 2016 by the Samsung company. So this was, let's show them that this one is made from Vietnam. So I'm going to look the seal here. So now, can you come a little? Please. So we'll show our watch to our. This is the watch. So this is the charging dock. Now, what else we have inside here? Let's see. Here inside there is charging cable like this one. So we'll place here. Okay, so like this, we'll place it like this, and we'll charge the watch. Here is we have a quick start guide, so you can watch inside and you can see the instruction to how to use the watch. So this one we have got the two strap. So this is small one. So now in this one looks very premium with the leather strap. So watch finishing is very nice. In 2020 also, I think this will be the worth watch to buy, because it's now cheap, so you can buy it. And didn't have the charge when you unbox it, so now we charge it, the watch, and now we are going to open it. It seems like it take some time to open. Yeah, battery is now, Samsung logo is there, you can see. It looks very premium. In 2020 also you can buy with the leather strap, very nice. So I saw the date, percentage of the battery. This is 46. You can see the face of the watch now. See now, like 18%. Now let's we already turn on, we charge it and turn on. So when you buy this one, you have to charge it and turn on the watch. So this is 46 mm watch. So this one has 380 mAh battery, Leon battery. Okay, and this one Samsung Pay, we can use Samsung Pay on this. So this is 1.5 GB RAM, and this is 2.8 ounce. So this battery lasts up to 2 days, and this is Titan 2.3.2 OS. I think this watch is worth to buy in 2020 also. Is 59 gram, and this one, see, this is glass front, Gorilla Glass, stainless steel. Resistance is IP68. For AMOLED screen, 1.3 inches, 48.1% screen to body ratio. See, very premium one in this 2020. So it was always on display, rotating bezel with dual core 1.0 gigahertz. So it has internal 4 GB and 768 MB RAM. So you can enjoy this watch. It has Wi-Fi also. Its feature sensor like accelerometer, gyro, heart rate, barometer, yes, voice, natural language commands, and dictation. Finally, I recommend to you buy this in 2020 if you are buying smartwatch for the first time. Thanks a lot.